Listen now, troubles let them fade away. Brush it off like it was yesterday. When you're feeling like you're getting low, then you switch up your scenario.
So this got washed. We're getting microlinks today. So here we go. Yeah, I look crusty and dusty. It's okay. I'm gonna look amazing. My hair is gonna look amazing. So I guess he just washed my hair, put conditioner in it, and we're gonna about to prep it. And that's like just putting braids in, or wait, what is this? Prepping is what?
I'm just gonna blow dry you. Now I'm gonna straighten your hair. Then we gonna start putting the microlinks in.
All right, so we're gonna put you on this journey as I get my microlinks for the first time. I'm nervous, but I'm excited because it's something new. The hair texture matches my hair really good. I'm excited. Looks so good.
There we go.
Yeah, so it's my first time getting microlinks. Kori is the master at it, so he is gonna put it in for me, and here we go. Watch as we these microlinks in. I'm about to look bomb. Here we go. All right, so Kori, so if someone was wanted to book with you to get microlinks, you first have to have the consultation, correct?
Correct.
Yep. And what does that look like for you?
So when they come in, what I do is kind of go through lifestyle, like what do they do on the regular basis, how often do they get their hair done, and then I like to do a texture match. So whenever I do the microlinks, I like to get it as close to the texture as possible, so they get caught in the rain, or if they are a natural girl and they like to wear their hair natural, it'll look as close to their texture, undetectable. Even like the one video I had posted when I was showing how my client, she had color, she had red in her hair, and her hair was like naturally wavy, and so I showed them like me shampooing it, you literally couldn't see it. So I love to do texture match. Then after that, we find the appointment date and get them in.
All right. So
I like to do it though, this method that I'm doing on you, I like to do it more on medium, like medium density to fine, because sometimes thick, it may not come out as like flawless and seamless as it would. So yeah.
Good. And so if you're interested in booking Kori, he is a traveling celebrity makeup artist. So he's based in both Detroit and Charlotte. So he posts like his dates when he's in town on his Instagram. So I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. Make sure you follow him and make sure that you book him for your microlink appointment. I'm gonna show you all some clips of how he's doing it, and we'll get through. So this is step number 2. All right.